We are back on the back roads. We got the truck back, and it was nothing severely major. So we are back on the road. Now, we have passed trucks today, the 24th of December, that are out putting brine down on the highways because we're supposed to get a major snowstorm over the weekend or on Friday. So we are making plans to get out of here, head south to where it's warmer. Have a great day, guys. Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you from the front porch soon.
Merry Christmas.